Hello guys, welcome back to Easy Internet. In today's video, we'll be looking into how to send money from your Capital One account using Zelle. First, we'll be looking into how to do this through the mobile application, and then we'll be looking into how to do this through the website. Alright, so first you got to launch the application from the app drawer. Once you launch the application from the app drawer, you're going to see the loading screen. Let the loading complete. Once the app is successfully loaded, you will be presented with the login screen. Here you gotta enter the credentials, username, and password. Once done entering the credentials, you gotta click on the sign in button below. Once the sign in process completes, you will be presented with the accounts screen. In the account screen, you gotta select the specific account from which you want to send money from. Once selected, you will have to click on the Send Money with Zelle option. Once you click on the Send Money with Zelle option, you will be presented with the next screen where at the bottom of the screen you will see two buttons, Request and Send. Click on the Send button. Now select the recipient and enter the amount you want to send to the recipient. Once done, you will be presented with the screen where at the bottom of the screen you will have a slider which you got to slide to transfer the money to the recipient. Once done, the money will be transferred. This is it about how to send the money through the mobile application from your Capital One account using Zelle. Now let's take a look into how to do this through Capital One's official website. Through any browser of your choice, search for the URL capitalone.com. You will be presented with the login screen. Enter the credentials and sign into your account. Once done signing into your account, you will be presented with the account screen. In this screen, choose the specific account from which you want to send money from. Once you select the account from which you want to send money from, you will have to click on the Send Money with Zelle option. Once you click on this option, you will have to select the recipient whom you want to send money to and enter the amount you want to send. Once done, you will just have to follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure that you have your registered phone with you in case OTP verification is required. Thank you for watching.